Hello viewers, many people actually want to buy tablet and they have a lot of questions regarding those tablets in their mind. So in this video, I will answer those questions that you have asked me in my videos. I have picked up some of the questions that users have asked me. The first question is Tab S9 FE Plus, iPad 10th generation 256GB variant and iPad 11th generation 128GB variant. Which is more value for money product? Actually, these three tablets or iPads are very good in their place, and if you ask me, in the Android market, Tab S9 FE Plus is a very good tablet that you can buy. Similarly, iPad 10th generation is also a very good option. If you are planning to buy iPad, in that case I will suggest you to buy iPad 10th generation 256GB variant if you have no urgency of updating your device to the latest version for next 6 years. But if you want to get the latest updates and want 2 years more update, in that case I will suggest you to buy iPad 11th generation 128GB variant. And if you want to buy any Android tablet, in that case Tab S9 FE Plus is also a very good option. Currently the price of Tab S9 FE Plus is very high, so if you want to buy this tablet you have to wait till Big Billion Days sale, when you can buy this tablet at around 22 to 25,000 rupees. Similarly, the price of iPad 10th and iPad 11th generation is also on the higher side, so I will request you or suggest you to wait till Big Billion Days sale. Next question, can you predict the price of Tab S10 Plus in Amazon or BBD sale? Actually, as S10 Plus is a latest tablet that has been launched in 2025, so price will not decrease much, but in BBD or Amazon sale you can expect a price drop of 10,000 from the price it is currently showing. Next question, what is the best iPad pencil alternative? There are many brands that actually make pencils for iPads, so you can buy one of them, but personally I use Kingone pencil and that is very good option. The battery backup of this Kingone pencil is very good and I have no issue using this pencil or writing anything on my iPad. Next question, Lenovo Idea Tab Pro versus Motorola Pad 60 Pro versus Xiaomi Pad 7, which one is best? In case of Lenovo Idea Tab Pro and Motorola Pad 60 Pro, you will get pen inside the box, so you don't have to buy anything extra. But in case of Xiaomi Pad 7, you have to buy the smart pen separately, that will cost around 5,000 plus. So in this respect, Lenovo Idea Tab Pro or Motorola Pad 60 Pro are better options, but if you want a reliable performance, I would suggest you to go for Xiaomi Pad 7. However, you cannot expect smoother software updates from any of these tablets, and if you want to buy any of these tablets, you have to make the decision according to your own preference. Next question, what will be the price of Motorola Pad 60 Pro in BBD sale 2025? Look, currently the price of this tablet is above 24,000 rupees, but I think in BBD sale you will get Motorola Pad 60 Pro at a price point of 20,000 rupees. So if you can wait till Big Billion Days sale, I will suggest you to wait for that sale. Next questions, what will be the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 in BBD sale? The current pricing of Tab S9 is very high, so if you wait till Big Billion Days sale, you can get this device at a price point of 35 to 36,000 rupees using your credit cards. Another user asked me, Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus or Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro, which one is best and BBD price? Look, Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus is a very good tablet, but Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro has not been launched in India, so there is no point of talking about this tablet right now. And if you want to know the price of Yoga Plus, in that case you can buy this at around 16,000 rupees in Big Billion Days sale. Another user asked me what will be the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. The price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP was under 20,000 rupees in many sales, but currently this tablet is selling at a higher price tag. So I will suggest you to wait till Big Billion Days sale. If you get the pricing at 18,000 or 19,000, you can definitely buy this tablet, otherwise you should skip this tablet. Another user asked me he wants to use a tablet with good screen quality and want to read PDFs on his tablet, so which tablet he should buy. In this requirement, I will suggest you to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus because you will get 12.4 inches LCD display and multimedia consumption on this tablet is top notch. Also stereo speakers are very good, so you will have a very good sound quality also, plus it will get updates in the future and you will get S Pen inside this box to have your creativity task. Plus in Big Billion Days sale you will get discounts on this tablet, so you should rather wait for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus and buy this tablet for your multimedia consumption. Another user wanted to know Redmi Pad Pro price point during Big Billion Days sale. Currently this tablet is selling at a very high price tag, so the final pricing or the expected price in Big Billion Days sale will be around 15,000 rupees for Redmi Pad Pro. Actually this is a very good tablet, you can use it for longer periods of time. This tablet has a very good build quality and it is portable, plus it has stereo speakers and the speaker quality is very good. I have compared the display with iPad 10th generation and I found that the display quality of Redmi Pad Pro is also very good. So you can definitely buy this tablet if you get it under 15,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. So these are some of the questions that users have asked me and I tried my level best to answer these questions to the best of my knowledge. If you have any questions regarding tablet or smartphones, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. And also I will request you to like the video because many people watch my video but they don't like the video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video about offers on smartphones and tablets. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.